quite aggressive. They do come. They do come out. Oh, wow. Quite aggressive. Quite aggressive. These geese, be careful. Looking for food. Fighting with the pigeons. That's the fountain. Oh, some more police vans at the Horse Guards. That's where Downing Street is. That's the back entrance of Downing Street. And this is the normal cafe. We've been to this cafe over the years. It's been revamped, but it used to be an old little sort of cafe bungalow. But now it's been revamped into something modern. Yeah, I think the geese are quite hungry. They're quite hungry. Yeah, following humans. So I think that's the danger of feeding. They do feel that we have to give them something. Some of them are quite serene, just floating along.